Another case I'd like to share with you, that's a young man, 35 years old. He's a former smoker, weaned for 6 months. He cares about his teeth. However, he suffers a stage 3 grade B periodontitis. So after the initial therapy, we sadly decided to remove the 4 maxillary incisors. Since the teeth were healthy, the dental technician proposed to create a custom teeth library. He did a great segmentation work on the exocad software. He captured each tooth in order to create that library. And he went from this and he achieved that again with a wax up using the original teeth. So you know now how it works. We first import the Conbeam CT into the implant planning software. And here I use again SMOP. The original teeth are then imported, followed by the wax up. Then we went with a virtual extraction. And we placed the 2 implants virtually. The prosthetic option we choose is to have 2 lateral incisors as cantilevers. We planned the multi-unit abutments also virtually and we set them parallels. Then we exported the virtual scan body again and we send them to the lab. And of course, to solve this case with guided surgery, we let the design to twin guide. It's a very interesting concept where the templates are designed and held like dentures. It's not the drills that are guided, but the whole contra-angle. So after spending some time on the computer, it's time to operate. But all the decisions were made earlier on the screen because we aim to act fast for the patient's best interest. Since the implants are quite deep and placed into anterior empty sockets, I couldn't do that without guided surgery. We did obtain a high torque for each implant. There are parallels just as alike. We're doing the ISQ measurements. We got nice results. It's all green. I can collect many information on Odstel Connect, such like treatment details, the torque, the bone quality, the risk factor, the surgical protocol, etc. This is the post-operative impression, and you can see when matching the virtual scan bodies and with the real scan bodies that the implant number 11 has a little bit tilted forward. And here we placed very narrow diameter implants, very difficult to place because only 1 or 2 drills are necessary. You don't have any second chance. And thanks to guided surgery, we aimed correctly and we get an excellent stability. And also a nice outcome, a nice aesthetic and functional outcome just a few hours later. And I was lucky enough that the patients wanted to keep his overjet and the lip position, so it couldn't be a better situation for an immediate loading from an occlusion point of view.